Smart Ads Facebook tutorial, panel, product ad, product video ad, Facebook post ad, and dynamic product ad. How to create a product ad. There are two types, single product ad or product set, also known as multiple products ad. Start creating your first ad by clicking the Create Campaign button. Step 1. Select objective, prospecting for new customers. If you want to increase online exposure for your products to further expand your customer base, or past purchases retargeting, if you want to attract repeat customers to revisit and shop again. Step 2. Select ad format, single image, product set, or Facebook post. Note, product is for single products only. Product set is for multiple products. Step 3. Select products. Pick the products you want to promote. A maximum of 10 products for product set. AI product recommendation. Products with a star indicates it is recommended to promote for best marketing performance based on past data. Step 4. Create content and visuals. You may edit different cards under product set format. Step 5. Set up budget, targeting, and other details. In this page, you may name your ad set the budget, schedule, and targeting. It's your audience. Click Confirm to finish creating your first ad. Note, you are unable to edit the targeting once confirmed. If you wish to do so, please create a new ad campaign. Step 6. Finish. Click Manage, then Edit to edit budget. To add new products to the same campaign, click Add New Product. And that's it. Now, here's how to create a product video ad. From static to dynamic. Test different ad creatives to determine which type appeals to your audience the most. Want to make a video but don't know how? Smart Ad System helps you turn visuals to video easily. We have multiple video templates for you to choose from. Step 1. When preparing your ad creative, select Ad Material as Video. Then click Create Video. Step 2. Select a template. Different video templates are provided for you to choose from. You may also click and view templates of different ratios from the top right corner. Step 3. After choosing a template, you can start uploading your product photos or choose from the library. Click Apply to confirm. Step 4. You can always update or change the visuals used in the video by clicking Edit. There you go! Alright! Next is how to create a Facebook post ad. Step 1. Select objective, new customers. Step 2. Select Facebook post, then you may select post via post ID or keywords. Step 3. Ad preview. Note, we do not support changing CTA button, for example, the Shop Now button. Step 4. Set up budget, targeting, and other details. In this page, you may name your ad set the budget, schedule, and targeting your audience. Press Confirm to finish creating your first ad. Note, you are unable to edit the targeting once confirmed. If you wish to do so, please create a new ad campaign. It's time to create a dynamic product ad. DPA is an ad format that utilizes your current products and automatically displays the recommended products based on your audience interest and past purchases. Step 1. Select objective. Retargeting. Step 2. Select product feed for dynamic product feed. Note, product category is default as store category. Step 3. Copywriting. Create content for primary text, headline, and description. Step 4. Set up budget and other details. In this page, you may name your ad set the date, budget, and targeting. You may target 3 types of audience: cart abandoners, add to cart in up to 180 days, product viewers, and past purchases. Note, you are unable to edit the targeting once confirmed. If you wish to do so, please create a new ad campaign. Auto optimization. Worried about spending too much on poorly performed ads? Turn on the auto optimization settings to allow the system to optimize your budget for you. Step 1. Click the Smart Ad Settings button. Step 2. Under Settings, you may turn on or allow Adjust Ads according to performance changes, Close Ads when product is out of stock. You will be notified via your login email when ads are turned off. Here are some ad buying suggestions. You should add at least 3 products in one campaign for the system to learn better and identify the hot selling products faster. You can only add up to 10 products in each campaign. If you wish to add more than 10, please create a new campaign. On a daily basis, you should put at least RM10 behind every product and at least RM30 behind every ad campaign to reach enough exposure for machine learning. On a daily basis, you should put at least RM10 behind every product and at least RM30 behind every ad campaign to reach enough exposure for machine learning. Suggested: RM10 times 3 products times 30 days equals 900 ringgit a month. If your budget is too low, you may not be allowed to add products into the campaign. We strongly recommend you not to change any ad setting or ad content after a campaign has started in order to maintain the best AI learning process. We recommend the use of auto optimization. Turn on Adjust Ads according to performance changes in the settings, allowing the system to optimize results for you. Please limit manual operations to maintain the best AI learning process.